Yo, what's up?
You already, man.
Hip hop is real.
Over here, man.
You know what I mean?
Got every event he come through.
Oh man,
I mean, he put it down.
Yo, what's up, G? You know what I mean? You know, this ain't even the outfit right now. I'm about to go get dressed. Yeah, I'm about to go get dressed, man. I woke up like this. I woke up in this shit. You know what I'm saying? I woke up in this shit. You know what I'm saying? What's good?
What's good? I'm good.
Everything good? Yeah. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? It's all love.
Man.
You know what I mean?
It's different when you're on another level with it, man.
You know, I mean, I'm not on a different level. I'm just here, you know what I'm saying, just providing what and doing what we do for the culture and just, you know, just trying to create my own lane and try to save hip hop. Hip hop lyricism and lyrics is dying, man. And I'm just want a platform where, you know, the fans that really appreciate that type of art can actually come to and get, you know what I mean? So we working.
Definitely y'all working, man. Gnome 7, Night of Main Events, man.
We here.
Beasley, Chico,
Hip hop is real. Hip hop is real.
Everybody over here working, man.
All right.
Definitely. If y'all get that pay-per-view, man, make sure y'all pull up, man.
Yo, pull up.
Even though it's sold out, pull up, man.
Why not?
Word.
All right, cool.
All right, yo.
All right.
Yo, Sick Bears.
Who got my phone?
Shit. Yo, my boy Sick Bears in the building, man. What's good?
Shake it, man. What up? You see what's going on?
Yo, man.
Ed of Gnome 7 about to get crazy. You know how it is.
Yo, what battle you looking forward to?
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. That T-Top battle, that's what I want to see. I want to see them niggas get crazy, man. And Goods, man. I ain't see Goods in a minute, so I want to see him come out and get crazy.
Who you think got it?
I'm fucking with Goods.
Good?
I want Goods to win, but I think T-Top gonna get crazy. So
T-Top might get crazy.
You know, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Trying to see you trying to put some bread up. You smell me?
Yeah.
All that mean.
People in the front putting up some bread, but you already know.
Money on deck. What up? That's a fact. That's a fact. Nigga pull calls. What's up? Money on deck. What they trying to do? What they trying to do? We got it, bro.
Alright, bro. You get a shout out for Hip Hop is Real?
Yo, hip hop is real. You already know, man. Birdie, Sick Bears. Let's get it, huh?
Shit.